Hey y'all, Eric Stone here for My Tour Tales. I'm currently in Apalachicola. I'm going to a book signing for McKenna. She is a local writer. She's not from here, but she writes about local books about Apalachicola. She's got a really nice series. And I'm really excited to meet her. I'm going to see my buddy Dan Mason, aka Cat Daniels, another writer, and his wife Melissa, and we're going to have a great time here in Apalachicola. As you see, there's Don's sign, and the bookstore is just right in this cute little town. I've never been here before, not spent any time here before, but I'm really digging this place, and it's gonna be a good tour tale, so just stick around and watch it all.
We decided to grab some lunch before going to the book signing, so we stopped off at a locals place called Up the Creek and had some delicious Apalachicola oysters. I even got a guitar pick from the Les Paul for my buddy Frank. How cool!
And the fact that there are a different number of books in each stack, that's kind of...
Well, she's been selling them.
That's true. That's very true.
It'd be better not to sell them
Every
than
time
to
you
make
make a
the
nice
stacks too.
pile, somebody messes it up by buying something.
It was a great book signing. I got my own signed copy. I even got to meet some of the actual characters in Apalachicola in Don's books, including Linda and Kirk. Wow, what a cool experience.
What do you want to say to Wayne? Wayne Sennett.
Hey, dumbass. What are you doing up there? You're supposed to be down here with all of us people.
Yeah, what she said.
And I'm sure she meant that all in love.
Oh yeah, lots of love.
After the book signing, we stopped off at the Apalachicola Coffee and Chocolate Company, made famous in Don's books.
Off limits. Off limits. So you guys know me. I'm at the Apalachicola Chocolate Company. And during my tour tales this time of day, I'm getting my favorite iced coffee. Perfect.
After a lot of joking around, we decided to head to dinner at a place called Lynn's. It's famous for its oysters.
Okay, we're at a serious local place, Lynn's Quality Oysters. This is going to be a great seafood dinner. This place is super fancy. I do speak sarcasm.
What do you think?
Right? It's going to be great. Hey y'all, that's it for another My Tour Tales. I'm Eric Stone. I hope you loved it. This is Apalachicola, and you think they don't have oysters here, just look at the ground. It was a lot of fun. I can't wait to come back and do a lot more stories here. This is a really cool town. For next time, I'm Eric Stone for My Tour Tales. Remember, open roads, open minds.